Hi guys, it's Katie. So today is going to be a get ready for me, get to know me video. Got a list of questions on a piece of paper. I've already done my eyebrows because I kind of forgot I was recording. So I'm going to answer a question while I'm doing part of my skincare makeup thing. Right, I'm going to start. What's my name? I'm Katie. My name's Katie Moss. I've got a middle name, but I don't really talk about my middle name. I don't really like my middle name. I don't know why, I just don't. I've never really liked my middle name. I feel like don't really ever mention my middle name. It's my dad in the middle name, but I don't really mention it. How old am I? I'm 14. I am turning 15 in 7 months. My birthday is the 3rd of August. But my zodiac sign, I'm a Leo. I only like judge people, go like, it's such a Leo thing to do, it's such a Gemini thing to shut up. Shut up. Nobody cares. Next question. Where am I from? I'm from England, the north of England. This is what's my favourite section. I mean, there's like 70 questions. Just go, what's my favourite something? So what's my favourite colour? I've got a favourite colour. I'd say I like this type of pink. Like, I want to get my hair done. I'll put like an inspiration photo somewhere along the screen of what I want my hair to be done. But I want to get my hair pink and black. So like maybe like this pink or like an emerald green. What is my favourite male artist? So my favourite male artist is probably Eminem. I know, so original. I know like Eminem, everyone's gonna be like, so original. I don't really know. Maybe like Tupac or Mr. Worldwide. Favourite female artist? Oh my god, what was that? So my female artist, I haven't even said it yet. Just thought of somebody and said them. Doja Cat, Nicki Minaj or Cardi B. One of them. I think I'll probably go for Doja Cat. I love Doja Cat. I used to want to be a singer, but I don't anymore because I realised I can't sing. My favourite band, Queen. Obviously, love Queen. It's probably the first like rock music I ever started listening to. I mean, then we've got Metallica. You can't say Metallica. The Metallica in my background. I've got AC/DC there, but sorry, you're not part of this AC/DC. And then for grief, my sister is gonna go mental when I say this, right? I love BTS. I have no idea any of their names other than Jungkook. I'm gonna get bullied by all the K-pop people for not knowing how to pronounce his name. All like Blackpink or Stray Kids. My nose contour looks absolutely horrifying. Where am I? My favourite fast food restaurant. I'm not really a big fan of fast food. I don't want your takeaway. I'm just kind of sick of it at this point. But if I had to pick, probably say the kids' chicken nugget meals at Burger King. I get them every year on holiday. I love them. So we're gonna go for that. Or KFC. Favourite food? Chinese. I know it's technically not one food, but we usually get it New Year's Eve or the hell? New Year's Eve or Christmas Eve. God. Favourite celebrity? So since I've gone for singers and bands, I'm not going to mention any sort of singer or band. Tom Hiddleston. I love Tom Hiddleston. Loki. I love Loki. I feel like all of my favourite celebrities are all celebrities who've played in movies or TV series, and they're always the bad guy, the villain. Not the anti-hero, not the hero, none of them. Against Scarlett Johansson is like, she's gorgeous. I really like watching James Charles. I don't know why. But lately I've constantly been watching James Charles. I don't know if it's like I've suddenly been invested by one. I don't know. I think that's what I'm thinking of. But his new song is so good. What's my favourite book? They're over there. What? One of Us is Next Door, One of Us is Lying. A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. The American Roommate Experiment's quite good. I don't really like Colleen either, but Ugly Love was probably the first book I read. I got it from the school library, I think. But I love Ugly Love. Favourite movie? Talking about movies, Ugly Love was meant to be a movie, but then I found out about it, and then I found out that it like never actually came out as a movie, and I was like, oh, why? My favourite movie my favourite movie like series, so like multiple movies, is Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Yo, is it Harry? I feel like everyone read or watched Harry Potter when they were younger. I didn't. I've never read Harry Potter, but I did I watched it like when I was 12 maybe. But my favourite just movie, one-off movie, good Netflix, sling of Netflix key. Chucky. Any sort of doll, The Boy, that one's good too. Any sort of doll-themed horror movie, I'm in for it. The Conjuring movies. I want to go to the Conjuring house so bad. I was watching Sam and Kobe, and when they went there for a week, and I want to so bad. I guess I do believe in ghosts and like supernatural and stuff, but I also don't believe. Why do I look like Flashback Mary right now? Like, oh my god, I need to blend this out like right now. And my favourite subject, that's not actually on here, but I'm going to add it to it. Favourite subject's history. Love history. Horrible histories. I love horrible histories. Favourite TV series? The Vampire Diaries or the originals. I love the Vampire Diaries. I've rewatched it. Since year 7, I've rewatched it about 40 million times. I've never have I ever. I've never had any other. I don't actually know if there's a new season. I haven't looked. Right, we're going to get off topic, because I'm saying what's my favourite TV series and listening about 7 million. Hobbies. Makeup. That could be counted. I love doing my makeup, like at 12 o'clock at night. But I'd say probably like drawing. As you can see, I love drawing. I do have a drum kit behind the camera. You can't see it, but I'll probably record it just after, and then I'll put it at the side so you can see. It's a electric drum kit. I do have a guitar and a piano. Not piano, a keyboard over there, but I don't play either. A dream job. Plan 1. Plan A. An actress. If you didn't notice by me listing all of the actors in Marvel, but I love Marvel. I've always wanted to be a Marvel actor. I feel like it's definitely the Vampire Diaries. The Vampire Diaries is the first thing I got really into with movies or TV series. And I watched all of the interviews, and it made us really want to be an actor. I did originally go to a acting school. I quit everything. Like, I do gymnastics. I did do cheerleading for 2 sessions, then I quit. I have done acting, then I quit. I want to go to a new acting class though, and I want to do acrobatic gymnastics. So I might start that up again. I don't know. But my plan A is definitely acting. Plan B. Do I have a plan B? No, I don't. Dream holiday destination. Las Vegas, New York, California. To be honest, I'd go anywhere. If somebody went, oh, do you want to go to Bulgaria? Yes. Obviously. I also want to go to where the Vampire Diaries is there. Mystic Falls, New Orleans. New Orleans? Is it New Orleans? Or New Orleans? What's that? I can't remember. Biggest pet peeve. When you're like, do you know what, if you're like texting your friends and you're like, oh, do you want to go out this Saturday, for example? And then this Saturday rolls around and they pretend to be asleep when they're not. This is so aimed. I'm not friends with her anymore, but this is so aimed at her. Like, if you don't want to go, just tell us. Thought your hamster had died. I thought that you were at your cousin's swimming lessons. I thought that you were too ill. But no, like, if you don't want to go out with us, don't go out with us then. It doesn't look like I care. I mean, I obviously do, but you know. How tall am I? I don't actually know. I used to think I was 5'5" for so long, but my sister's like 5'7", and I'm pretty much the same height as her. So I'd say like 5'6" maybe. Wish I was taller than I am, because I want to be a model. That's my plan B. I always used to go compared to Kate Moss, because my name's Katie Moss. So I feel like I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel, but I've never actually started one, because I used to be terrified of getting bullied about having it, which I don't get because I got bullied anyway, so shouldn't have just made one and got bullied. I'm less likely to get bullied for making a YouTube channel. So obviously I just kind of got into it. I mean, I used to want to do it. I made one, changed my mind. I thought, might as well just do it because, okay, bully me if you want, I will cry. How many siblings do I have? I have 2 half siblings and 1 full sibling. Not all older than me, I'm the youngest. So yeah, I have quite a big family though. Like, outside of my siblings, mainly on my dad's side, my auntie, she has loads of kids. She has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't actually know how many kids she has. But she has kids, and then her kids have kids. And at this point, I wouldn't be surprised if her kids' kids have kids. And they probably also have kids. I'm joking, obviously. I love you. Bye. That was awkward. Right, okay, let's go. I'm gonna fall off. Right, let's all around. Let's go.